Activity 1. Introduction.
Whack-a-mole.
Hit the moles to get the sound.
Zzz. Zzz.
Well done.
This is a washing robot. He can wash a lot of dirty clothes. Help the robot by dragging the clothes that have the sound that you hear. Find the sound.
Zzz. Zzz.
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 Activity 3. Sound isolation.
Tickling the dragon. The knight is fighting against the big dragon. Let's defeat the dragon by tapping on the correct sound. Puzzle. Fine. Puzzle. Great. Buzz. Buzz. Great. Dizzy. Dizzy. Great. Jazz. Jazz. Great.
Activity 4. Blend and segment.
Shooting meteorite.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Buzz.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Ja. Ah. Ja. Ah. Jazz. Jazz.
Shoot the meteorite with the correct sound to blend a word.
Ba. Ba. Buzz. Buzz.
Good job.
Activity 5. Build the word.
Drag the fish to the boat to make the word.
Fuzz.
Yay! Yay! Yay!
Fuzz. Fuzz.
Make the word.
Buzz. B.
Yay! Yay!
Z.
Yay!
B. Z. Buzz. Buzz.
Make the word.
Jazz. J.
Yay!
A.
Yay!
Z.
Yay!
J. A. Z. Jazz. Jazz.
Activity 6. Learn sight words.
Conveyor belt restaurant.
Drag the dish to match what the customers like. Pay. Buy. Pay. Buy. Pay. Buy. Pay. Buy. Buy. Pay. Pay. Buy. Pay. Buy.
Well done.
Activity 7. Build sentences. They jig to the jazz. Drag the owls in the right places to complete the sentence. Jig to the jazz. Fred sits by a band. Drag the owls in the right places to complete the sentence. By a band. The red bug zigzags to Sam. Bugs drag the owls in the right places to complete the sentence. Zigzags to Sam.
The Jazz Bug, written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by Monica Tuna. Sam the ram sits by a band. Dan the dog sits by a band. Fred the frog sits by a band.
Is it a rock band?
Sam the ram sits by a band. Dan the dog sits by a band. Fred the frog sits by a band.
Whoa! What a great band!
Sam
Fred
the
the
ram
dog.
frog.
Whoa! What a great band!
Bug. Sam the ram.
Whoa! What a
Dan
great
the
band!
dog. Sam the
Dan
ram
the
frog.
dog. Whoa!
Fred
What a great
the
band!
frog.
Is it a rock band?
Says Sam.
Is it a pop band?
Says Dan.
No, it is a jazz band.
Says Fred.
The music is so good.
Dan. Fred. Sam.
The music is so good.
Dan. Sam.
We are the jazz band.
Bug. Speaker.
Bug. 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 Bug.
They jig to the jazz. They hop to the jazz. They tap to the jazz.
Let's dance.
Dan,
Sam,
Fred,
Bug.
Speaker.
Sam.
Speaker,
Trumpet. Bug.
buzz, buzz, buzz. It is a red bug. Fuzz is on the bug. Red bug. The bug jigs to the jazz. The bug hops to the jazz. The bug taps to the jazz.
Oh, she is a good dancer.
Fred,
Sam,
Speaker,
Bug.
red bug.
Oh, she is a good dancer.
Fred,
Sam,
Speaker,
Bug.
red bug.
Oh, she is a good dancer.
The red bug zigzags to Sam. The red bug zigzags to Dan. The red bug zigzags to Fred. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Tap, tap, tap. They jig to the jazz.
Let's dance again.
Bug.
Sam,
Dan,
red
Fred.
bug.
Let's dance again.
Bug.
Sam, red
Bug.
Fred, Speaker.
Let's dance again.
Congratulations! You finished the lesson!